What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we're out here at Slide and Shine at Texas Motor Speedway, baby. By the sound of that, you can probably guess that things are getting crazy today. We got some professional drifting going on. We might get a ride along. We got a car show, a rev battle in an hour, and then we're gonna ask some people some questions today as well. So if you're excited for that, stick around, stay tuned, because this is gonna be a great video. See you. We're making our way down here where the drift ride-alongs are. I guess there's like bring your own drift car, and then they have some like pros doing it. Let's go walk over here and see what's going on and who's drifting today. Let's check out the car show portion of the meet. We got some pretty crazy stuff. We got the single cab F-150 twin turbo. Holy moly. If only it was a dually. That'd have just made it even better, man. Then we got like the NASCAR looking Mustang thing. Not sure what we got going on here. So we got the Lamborghini Huracan with loads of carbon. I'm gonna sneak around the back here. And we got more twin turbos. And of course, it's quiet. We saw this guy in the last Dallas video. Well, it might be two now. With a wide body Mustang. I think this is the RTR kit. Nobody corrected me in that one. But I mean, check that out. Not every day you get to see a wide body Mustang. Pretty cool indeed. We've got the no front bumper gang in the convertible Mini Cooper, the 350Z and the 370Z with the red carbon fiber front fenders. Very nice, sir. Very well done indeed. That is a A+ grade from Mr. Sinclair. This is a real man right here, paying tribute to our Lord and Savior, Ice Spice. Are you a munch? Comment if you're a munch in the comment section below.
Michael Lynn Booth is a munch.
We got a new Z. What do we think? What do we think? My boy trying to sell me one back in Houston. I don't know. I have to get rid of the Supra, and I don't think it's worth getting rid of the Supra Cool. Woo! Then we got the big old wang on there. The Battle Arrow, I believe, chassis mount, same that I had on mine. With the chrome tints. Can't see in. I wonder if you can see out. I've never been in a car like this. That is a nice color GT500. Must be a wrap, because I don't think Ford makes that color, but yeah. It's a good looking one next to the Gen 5 Viper, the GTR, and some clown brought out a wide body Supra. Everyone's inspecting it because I forgot a panel at home. All right, y'all, we switched it up to the wireless mic again. We might go around asking some people some questions today, see what they can give us, but we didn't get to check out these cars yet. We got the crazy Mustang. We're gonna walk around the back, check out the exhaust setup on this thing, because my goodness, this thing shoots some flames, and hopefully we'll get to see it later in the rev competition. Have you ever seen a Mustang with a center exit exhaust before? I don't think so, and in case you didn't see him, his plate lets you know to look up. Shoot some big old flames. We'll go ahead and move on to the Dodge Viper A. Is it ACR? I don't know what the plate means either. Got a big old carbon wing on it. I'd love to see it. And next to it we got a Mark V Supra with the single exit exhaust, some bead locks. Man, that's a well done Supra right there. But check this one out. Well, first we got the Hennessy GT350. You don't see these too often. We'll move around to the front of here. What makes it a Hennessy? I have no idea. We can check out under the hood. Supercharger, it appears. And then last but not least, my favorite Supra up here, the white HKS Supra. Woo-wee. All right, we're out here today, and this show is primarily run by people who feel a certain way about takeovers, and I'm curious, what are your thoughts about takeovers?
Okay, so my thoughts about takeovers, honestly, it couldn't be more of a cancerous thing to the car community, honestly. A lot of people say they aren't a part of the car community. It's a completely different crowd. You can't compare us. But if you look at somebody and they're passing through, they're trying to get home and they see a takeover, they're going to compare us. They're going to say, oh, these guys are the car community. These guys are ruining our streets. These guys are, doing reckless behavior, stuff like that. My major issue, one, obviously it's unsafe, it's unorganized, and it's against the law. But my biggest issue with it would be probably it makes it hard for the car community to grow, because a lot of our event hosts can't get permission to host a peaceful car meet because they go home, and these guys are rich landowners. They don't care about cars, but they'll go home, get on the news, and see a takeover on the news and be like, okay, so these are what car people are doing nowadays. So a peaceful event host is gonna go try to get permission to go host a peaceful car meet, and that landowner is gonna be like, no, y'all are just gonna do burnouts and do reckless behavior on my property, tear up my property. So it's making it hard for the car community to grow, and it's ruining our reputation, honestly. But it's hard to really put an end to it, but if we get everybody on the same page, and we're losing our tracks, we just lost our venue, so it's going to be hard, but keep sharing on social media, make a good example for ourselves. We need to get the law on our side so that we could grow, and we can make it a better place for everyone. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. I've done a lot of anti-takeover videos, a lot of anti-takeover merch, so I'm really big on that. But me as an event host, I host probably one of the bigger events in DFW, and I could say definitely I've done better for the community, just because we're putting out a good name for ourselves. So
yeah. The more people can come together and do stuff like this and be in a controlled and safe environment, the more that'll grow, and
the more respect we'll get, the more people are gonna see that and just be like, okay, these guys aren't so bad.
Exactly. So. Huge shout out, Monday Night Madness, baby.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for coming out. Of course.
Hot diggity dog! Look what showed up. Woo! That thing's following me around, man. I need me a pink STO in my life. Is that pink or purple? Let me know. So it's been a while, it's getting hot outside. People are starting to leave, but the rev battle's in like an hour and a half, so we're gonna hang around and see that at least. And keep chopping it up with the homies. We'll see what's going on. I think we're done interviewing for today though, so if you see anything, or if you have any questions you want me to ask random car people, leave it in the comments below so I can plan more videos for you guys. We got the monkey again. Caesar the monkey gonna get a drink of fruit punch.
Yeah, that's his.
He's big chillin' just like Jeremy.
It's a weird question. Can I give him a handshake?
Yeah, go ahead, man. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. If he lets you, he might not. He was tired. He's thirsty. Look.
He got denied by the monkey. Here we go.
Yeah, but I gotta go. They've been waiting for me. He didn't give you.
Oh! Oh man, he got the handshake. I was told to go check my car, and it shows, oh, he won something. Uh-oh. I won the best of show without a piece of my wide body on. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Put some respect on my name. Throw up the foes, throw up the foes. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, it is now time for the rev battle. This is for $300. Hopefully, it's very loud, and headphone users, I'm gonna pluck them out right now. I've warned you, I've warned you.
Who wears a size small? And who wants a hoodie? Let's go, baby. I want a hoodie! Who wears a size small, though?
Me, I'm small! I'm small! I'm small! I'm small!
That's hot, that's hot, that's hot. Okay, who wants a sticker?
I've already got one. Joke's on them. Over here just chilling. And wow, bro, that's loud. I hope that person wins. That's the loudest car yet. All right, we're gonna watch a couple more. I think there's only like 1 or 2 cars left. Let's see what happens. Takes the dub, bro. You guys enjoyed this meet. They said they're gonna try to do it again and have some drag racing next time. So let me know if you want us to come back to the next one. Shout out to all the Dallas boys. Shout out to Monday Night Madness, Quiet Racing, all y'all. Y'all are much love, much love. I cannot wait to come back up here next time. If you like the video, smash the like button. subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.